Guillermo Haro's 105th birthday is celebrated on 22nd of March 2018. The search giant Google shows a doodle for Guillermo Haro in the USA and some other countries. If you're stargazing tonight, look for 3 stars, closely aligned. These are known as the Three Sisters, and they are part of the constellation Orion, representing Orion's belt. They belong to an asteral region that pivoted Mexican astronomer Guillermo Haro to fame. Born in Mexico in 1913, Haro grew up during the Mexican Revolution and graduated in philosophy before embarking upon a career in astronomy. Amongst his biggest contributions to the science was the discovery of a type of planetary nebulae named Big Haro objects. He also discovered flare stars, red and blue bright stars, in the region of the Orion constellation. These contributions led to Haro becoming the first Mexican elected to the Royal Astronomical Society, in 1959. Haro's legacy endures to this day through the National Institute of Astrophysics, Optics, and Electronics, which he established to support science students in their professional careers. The institute also runs an observatory named after him in the Mexican state of Sonora. When you look up at the sky tonight, wish a very happy 105th birthday to Guillermo Haro, a star on his own right.